Hi, in this video we're going to go ahead and encapsulate our form a little better. We're going to leave test.php here as our main PHP script, but we're going to remove our form just to kind of keep it separate, and we're going to go ahead and either show or hide that form depending if people are logged into our little test here. So if they are logged in, there's no real reason to show our form. It wouldn't really make sense. So let's do this using an include keyword here. Include is actually a built-in function for PHP, and we can make an include function. We can call that function by just typing include, and either in parentheses or in quotation marks, we can put some file that's on the server with the file we're in right now. So it would be maybe some file PHP or some file HTML, or we could even have plain text, some file .text, to name a few. So, and the way an include function is going to work for us is when this function is called, it's going to return all the text in that file. So you could think of, if we had some file.text that maybe had a list of states in the United States, maybe 50 states, you can just think of that text replacing this include, replacing where we called the include function here. So from line 4, on line 4 would actually contain many lines, 50 lines of text. And then after that point where we included it, we can use those, if they were variables, for example, we could use those variables after that point within our test.php. And so let's go ahead and make a new file here in Notepad++. We'll just go File, New. We will save this as, let's go form. We could also go form.html, but let's just keep it form.php for now. And let's go back to test.php. We're going to cut this HTML out, everything from the form opening tag to the form closing tag. Cut that out, go back to form.php, paste it in, and save it. Okay, so now from the last video we made use of this isSet function, which returned a boolean to us. So if isSet post submit login, so this is pretty much just if the button has been pushed, the submit button has been pushed, go ahead and set a username variable that we create to the username input from our text box. The same thing for the password, and then echo welcome back, and then whatever name they put in the box there. So else echo please enter your username. So let's go ahead and before this echo statement we'll write include form.php, and that will be our include function there. And that's just kind of shorthand. The proper way of doing this would be with the parentheses, so that shows you it is a function, but PHP just kind of has a built-in shorthand way of doing that. Even though it is a function, we can access that without the parentheses, which is a special case there. So so we'll include the form.php and then echo please enter your username. So let's go ahead and save that and kind of see what we did here. Okay, so we just reloaded the page. We see the form here, we see please enter your username. Let's type in, actually it doesn't really matter what we type, Neil, and we submit. Welcome back, Neil, and you can see our form is gone. So let's go back to our code and see why our form disappeared. So our include function, which included our form.php, which is this file, only happened when this was not true, when this condition was false. So if the button has not been pushed yet, which in our case means the page was freshly loaded and nothing happened yet, if that was not the case, then skip all of this code here, go straight to our else. Go straight to our else statement here. Include our file. So that would be the exact same as doing this. If we cut that and replace all that with this HTML here, that would be the exact same, except this would have to be a string, so it would be an echo, some form of an echo statement there, and we would have to escape out of all the double quotation marks. Also, we'd have to, for each double quotation mark, we would have to put a little backslash there, which is a real pain. So that's why we just included that in an include file. And so that's our include function. So we're going to go ahead and continue to use that excuse me, in the next video, and we'll continue with our login form. Thanks for watching.